Hi, it's Marianne of MW's Designs. Today I am working on my background watercolor wash for my spring card. I'm using 140-pound watercolor paper that I have cut into a rectangle about 4 by 5.5 inches. I ran it under water for just a couple of seconds so that it's wet on both sides. That helps keep my paper lying flat, and it also holds the moisture long enough for me to add my wash. I'm starting out with blue for my sky, and it's darker at the top and gradually gets lighter as I move down the page. And I just go about a little more than a third down the page. Then I tip my paper so that the paint can run down a little bit. Then I can take off any excess with my cloth, and also I am going to dab it in a few spots to give a cloud effect. And I think I might even use my brush just to move it around a little bit. So you can work away at it, not too much, but just to give it a more interesting effect. Then I am going to be using green at the bottom for my grass. And again, more paint along the edge, gradually getting lighter as I move in. I'm leaving the middle white because that's where I'm going to add my flowers, and I want my flowers to have a true color so they're not mixed in with the green. And if I have any spots that I don't like, I can remove them with my cloth. And that looks really good. So this will need to dry. Then I'll be able to paint my spring scene and also add my rainbow embellishment from my previous video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell beside the subscribe button, and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And I plan to do more spring theme projects, so I invite you to join me, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.